at my baby doggy. Shobe. Shobe. She doesn't want to listen. Shobe. Oh, look at the face. Super bullying it. What's bullying it? Oh, I'm dirty. Look. She almost finished the food. Ah. You know what she have? She have dog food, pork, and egg. Social. This doggy. Shobe. Shobe. May I see? Wow, super clean. Finish all. Wow, very good. Yummy? Yummy? If yummy, say like this, Shobe. Yummy? Listen to mama. Shobe. Hello, Shobe. Yummy? Yummy daw. Super. Oh, finish. That's why you're... Yummy? Yummy? That's the face after eating. Yummy? Super big, this doggy. Pretty. Pretty. What happened outside? Super strong wind. She's wondering what happened outside. Super. She skips me. She wants more food. Yummy? Yummy, your dinner? Baby Shobe, when she shower, she sit now, waiting to dry her hair. Baby Shobe, right? Sit on. Wait to dry your hair. Super pretty girl. Pretty small doggy done shower. Finish. What it feels after shower and drying your hair? What it feels? What it feels, baby Shobe? What it feels? Feel pretty? Oh, she's feel sleepy na. Okay, sleep na. Done shower na. Kaya na yung mga cuties. Happy kayong tulo. Si Chuchu kay wasa mood. Di ba? Oo.